Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If you've never been here before, there's a subscribe button down below. Go ahead and give that a click. Today we're doing my everyday makeup routine. So we're starting off with just wiping down any residue from the night before that didn't get taken off. And I'm just using the Aveeno makeup wipes to do this. And I'm just letting my face dry a little bit. And once it's dry, I'm going to take a moisturizer. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Smoothie Moisturizer. I put this on. It makes me look so dewy and just moisturized in the morning, which I really need because my skin is super dry. So I'm just smoothing that all over my skin. And now I'm going in with the Too Faced Peach and Prime Mattifying Primer. I'm just taking a little bit of this since we already put the moisturizer on, and I'm just going to put it over the most difficult parts of my face, I guess, the T-zone and my cheeks and my chin, just to give that a little bit of a mattifying, tacky feel to attach all the makeup. Now I'm going in and doing my brows with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. I use this constantly. I don't think I've used another brow pencil for all of 2018-2019. So here I am just filling them in. And now I'm just using a spoolie to go over them, to just spoolie them out, make sure that they look a little bit more natural. Now I'm going in with my concealer. I am taking the Sephora Gel-Serum Bright Futures Concealer in the shade Meringue. I think I'll leave everything on the screen for you guys and also down below. I'm just putting this on my problem areas. I don't use it to brighten under the eyes, I just use it to cover up any blemishes. And I'm wetting my beauty blender with my makeup wipe because I'm really lazy, and I am using that to blend in all of the concealer. Now I'm taking my CoverGirl Lid Lock-Up Eye Primer. I love this stuff. I'm just putting that on the eyes. And then I'm taking my beauty blender again and just blending that in to get a good base. We're not going to do a lot of eyeshadow, so I'm just taking a regular eyeshadow brush and the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just using that to give some like element of color to my lids. Just a bronzy shine. Doing that to both sides. Just getting it evenly all over. I like to do hardcore makeup looks, but some days I'm just too lazy. And now I'm just taking the same bronzer and applying it all over my face. I'm super pale, so I just like to put it everywhere and to be more bronze. Now I'm taking the Thrive Causemetics, I'm not sure 100% what this is called, but highlighter stick, and you just put it on the inner corners, and I just put it on my cupid's bow. Anywhere I want a little bit extra highlight to look a little bit more awake. And now I'm taking the Sephora 24-hour felt liner to line my eyes. And now I'm going in with the Pure Cosmetics palette. I'm taking the top highlighting shade, and I'm using that as a highlighter on the high points of my face, so I'm just going on my cheekbones. And then above my eyebrows, on my nose, and where I put the other highlighter. So now I'm going in with my Tarte Gifted Mascara. I really like this mascara. I got it as a sample. It's not as heavy duty as some of my other ones, so it's really nice for like an everyday makeup look. Now I'm taking my Clinique Lip Serum, and I'm just putting that on to give my lips a little bit of a gloss. And that's all for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.